Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today's video topic was a request from one of you lovely viewers, so thank you for that. We were asked if we could do a video about polygel nails. So here we are. April and I will be sharing what polygel is, how to create polygel nails, and our tips and tricks for using it. So let's begin. We're going to be showing you how to use polygel with dual forms to lengthen your nails and create a beautiful manicure. Dual forms are made of a clear plastic which polygel does not stick to. So to begin, you want to choose a dual form that is slightly larger than the size of your nail. This will help you use the correct amount of polygel. If your dual form is the same size as your nail, then the sides may not get the polygel. This is incorrect and the nail will be brittle. The brush we're using for polygel has a spatula on the other side of it, which is perfect for cutting off and applying small amounts of polygel. As you can see, polygel is very thick and it's sold in tubes. Squeeze out a small amount, cut it with the spatula, and apply it onto the dual tip. Next, you're going to want to soak your brush in the special liquid that comes with your polygel kit. This liquid helps the brush shape the polygel. So you're going to want to spread the polygel inside of the dual form like so. After that, press it onto your natural nail by placing the tip over the cuticle at a 45-degree angle and then lowering it onto the tip. Press firmly to avoid any bubbles. Then you can go in and correct any imperfections using the brush. The next step isn't necessary, but we like to use a special clamp. This helps to hold the dual form in place while it's being cured. It also prevents bubbles from forming and the polygel from lifting. So cure the polygel for 2 minutes in a UV LED lamp, and after that, pop off the dual forms. It's almost perfect already. You just need to file the tip to your desired shape. You can now apply a top coat and your nails will be ready. However, we're going to show you a simple design first. So we're going to take some holographic flakes, and we're going to make an ombre with the flakes using a brush. After that, we chose to put a metallic sticker on the ring finger like so. Apply a top coat, cure, and our nails are complete. Guys, let us know down in the comments if you've ever tried polygel nails. If you're interested in shopping some polygel products, we have a link in the description for you guys. And be sure to click these boxes right here to check out more awesome nail tutorials here on Cute Polish. You can go subscribe to April's channel by clicking this circle right here. And don't forget to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every weekend by clicking this circle. Take care and we'll see you next time. Bye!